Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. I will have all of these linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's super easy to find. I'll also have two additional links that take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But getting into today's items, the first one up is the Toolant 3/8 drive impact Torx bit socket set. There's a 13-piece set from T10 to T70, and these are tamper-proof as well. S2 steel, impact rated, and it comes with their anti-roll design. So if you guys saw last week's video, maybe it was, Work Pro has some shallow chrome sockets that have a hex base, and the idea behind it, at least in their scenarios and their pictures, were to prevent them from rolling away. In my eyes, when I see the hex base, my thought process is tight situations, being able to use a wrench instead of a ratchet, which I'm sure that's probably what a lot of people would purchase these for, but they talk about a lot of anti-roll in these, but it's good for both of them. So this is from Toolant, same idea, but with a Torx bit set and a really good range as well. But there you can see the anti-roll, 6 flat sides. Okay, so at least this brand, they're actually showing it's not just to prevent them from rolling away. You can use them in a wrench, or as you can see there, on a ratchet or an impact, whatever it may be, really shallow. And I think that's fantastic. Now, using this T10, all the way through, the first half of these, if you're using them on an impact, just be extremely careful, especially that T10, 15, those things, even though it's impact rated, it's probably going to just mess up the fastener or the socket. And it is originally $30. There's a $1.50 off coupon, and I just thought this was a really cool design. This has 4.5 stars, 191 ratings. Next up is the Ernst Bit Boss, and this is one that I've had since 2019, the beginning of 2019. And this saved me a ton of space. They also have their bit buddies and their bit rails, and this Bit Boss was the first one that was released, I believe. So you have a tray, just like their socket bosses, where the rails will actually lock into place. You can slide them out, take a rail with you. You can also see that each rail is 3 individual pieces, and you can actually slide them off the rail, reorganize them however you want, but you got a lot of space. This holds 90 bits, so you got a lot that stand vertical, and then your longer ones, you can lay them down if you're in a shallow drawer. So I really like the design. I used to have a lot of the little bifold DeWalt and Milwaukee, bit sets. And I'd just lay them out in my drawer. Took up a ton of space. It was organized well, but took up a lot of space. I was basically able to use this to save a ton of space, and it works really, really well, and it's still good for travel or if it's just going to stay in the toolbox. And I have a couple videos on the Ernst Bit Boss and their releases that they came out with after this, which you can see some of them here. They have the Bit Buddy is a 8-inch rail, and then they have these ones which are on 13 or 18-inch rails, so quite a few different options. They're all made in the USA and priced really, really well. This has 4.4 stars, 428 ratings. Next up is the Capri Tools long locking flex head ratchet set, and these are priced so well. Capri crushed it with these ratchets. 92 design, locking flex head, all 3 drive sizes, extra long, and priced at $170, not on sale. There are brands out there that are lesser quality that are more expensive just for the half-inch drive. That's a 25-inch half-inch drive locking flex head. Quite a few brands out there that sell the same quality or lesser quality for that price just on one ratchet. Capri has fantastic pricing on their ratchets. This is the non-comfort grip. It's weird. I have their comfort grip long locking flex head ratchets. I don't know what happened to those. They still have their comfort grip non-flex heads, but as far as this design, I cannot find the comfort grip anymore, which is really weird. But you can get just the half-inch drive for $80, quarter-inch drive for $40, or 3/8 for $65, or the whole 3-piece set in the organizer, $170. fantastic price. 9-inch ratchet, 20.5-inch ratchet, and 25-inch ratchet. I think the comfort grip, it was the quarter-inch drive was 12.5 inches, if I'm not mistaken. So the sizes might have been a little bit different. But either way, the pricing on these are phenomenal. So this has 4.6 stars, 1,730 ratings. Next up is a brand I've never heard of and don't plan on learning any more about them. But I bought this Kiwi set of angled head long nose pliers many years ago, probably around 2016. You can get your hand out of the way and actually see what you're grabbing. And I bought it from Easy Red. Pretty sure it was much more expensive than this. I think it was over $30 if I'm not mistaken. And for the longest time, I think Easy Red was really the only one that offered them. It was either that or step up to one of the tool truck brands where it was much more expensive. And I don't think I knew about the Irwin or the German ones at that time. This was, 10 years ago. And those ones were quite a bit more expensive as well. So I went with the Easy Red. Not the best quality, but they worked well for the situations I needed them in. And now, you know how it is. There's tons of brands out there selling the exact same thing for like half the price of what I paid for it 10 years ago. So the typical price on this is $21. It's down to $18.87, lowest price in 30 days. Not really sure that I like EVA foam organizers when I can afford the space, but this is just a little unnecessary, But there you can see the dimensions on the 6-inch pair and 8-inch pair. And Easy Red, now $19. I'm pretty sure I paid more than that 10 years ago for this set. So, basically the identical price as far as the Easy Red now. Next up, we have the Gearwrench 7-piece hook and pick set. This is the newer design as far as the handles. I have this exact same set I've mentioned a few times in the past. This is $30 down from $44 as far as the list price. It doesn't actually ever sell for $44, but I think for this set, $30 is a great price. You got 4 of your kind of standard length picks and hooks, and then you have your 3 larger ones, great for removing radiator hoses, things like that, a little bit tougher jobs where you need a thicker shaft to get the job done, The newer handle design, it's kind of a color change scheme. It's been this way for a few years. I have the old handle design. It's kind of a tri-lobe. It's a very subtle tri-lobe, but it's a nice design. Not the best set out there in the world, but for a really good price, you're getting a good variety, and you can buy them all individually as well, but definitely buying the set is the best price. It comes in the little organizer. I've kept that organizer in my drawer for many years, and it's held up just fine. It's got some pokes and stuff in it from putting the picks in and, taking them in and out, but other than that, it's held up just fine as long as you're not moving it around constantly. Really good set for the price. So this has 4.7 stars, 1,761 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Astro Tools 14-piece half-inch drive low-profile nano impact socket set. This is a 14-piece set, 17 to 30 millimeter. So in the past, I've mentioned their 3H drive sets that go from 6 millimeter or 7 millimeter to 19. Very good coverage set. This is a really nice set as well. This is one that I hadn't seen before, and really good coverage. You got to cut if you already have the 3H drive set. This is going to basically extend on top of that. You're going to have a couple of overlap here with the 17 and 18 and 19. No skips in this set either. So I think that's a great deal. $60 for this set for sockets that go up to 30 millimeter. Nano sockets, low profile areas. This is a fantastic deal, even not on sale. I want to say their 3H drive set usually fluctuates between $35 and $45 on sale. Those prices are fantastic for this set. That set, $60 for this larger set, I think is a fantastic price. If I ever see this go on sale, I will definitely let you guys know as well. But even at this full price, I still believe it to be a good deal. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. But this has 4.9 stars, 29 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a couple knives that I just wanted to mention. This is one that I just recently picked up, the Lothar Challenger K1, and this thing is fantastic for the price. Now, if you're not a big knife person or you're not looking for, a knife in this price range, completely understand it. They're not for everybody. I've been on kind of a knife kick the last couple of months, and I've really dug myself a hole. It's fun. It's fun. getting into this. This has a 14C 28N blade, and it is a big boy blade. I mean, this thing is stout. So this has a stainless steel frame with Damascus G10 inlays in the handle. Very, very comfortable, very stout. The action on it, very solid. Nice pocket clip. It does have a button lock, works really well, and I just love the look of it, which I actually have right here. So you can see she's a beauty. Getting one with a frame design like this at this price is pretty awesome. No, it's not titanium and carbon fiber or anything like that, but it's still a really, really cool design, really good quality. Blade is nice and sharp. I'm very, very impressed with it. So if you're into knives, I think this is a really cool option. This is my first one from Lothar, and after getting this, it actually made me start looking more into their brand. So I was really impressed with this. This is on sale at $72, down from $83, which I think is a very fair price for it. It's kind of pushing it as far as pricing for a 14C 28N, but with that Damascus G10 inlay and just the overall size and build quality of it, I think it's a very fair price for this knife. But if you guys are looking for something a little bit more affordable, I did find one as well that I own that I think is also worth sharing. This is the Kizer Nice Guy. Much smaller knife, much more lightweight. If you're looking for something that you can't even really tell is in your pocket, this is a fantastic option. I bought the red version when it was on sale. The red one right now is at $39, but it will also drop to the $30 to $33 price range. Absolutely worth it at that price. This black one we're looking at here does have D2 steel. Not the greatest. The red one does have the Nitro V, which is a little bit better. I prefer the Nitro V. You got a couple different options here. The green one in D2, the black one here in Nitro V. That one's got aluminum handles, so it's a little bit more expensive. They have a few different options here. Micarta handles, carbon fiber. So I think this red one is definitely the best one when it's on sale at $30 to $33. Because it's got the Nitro V over these couple that are D2. Not that there's anything wrong with the D2, but this is a very lightweight knife and very compact. It's got a rear flipper, so very easy to operate. It's a liner lock, and one side is just a rich light scale, and the other side has the built-in liner lock. That's the only framing to it, so it's still very rigid, but very lightweight. It's holding an edge really well. I've been really impressed with it. If you're looking for one that you're not afraid to do some rough work with, I carry this on a daily basis a lot, because this is like going out, and I'm not going to carry this at work, because if I mess this up, a lot of people will look at it and they buy $600 knives. I'm not buying that, because I'll never take it out of its case. This I'll take out and use, just not at work. This I'll use every single day at work. Very cheap, good quality for the price. Kizer makes some fantastic stuff. So if you guys would like to know more, please feel free to drop a comment down below. But this has 4.7 stars, 399 ratings, and those are my 2 knife suggestions for the week. And then that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. All of these will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.